Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So for today's video, we are going to be taking a look at some highly requested hairstyles that we are going to be seeing in 2024. So if you're currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So first up here, we do have a full transformation. It looks like she's getting a bit of a mini bob. The stylist places some absolutely gorgeous mini bangs here in the front. This is such a cute, chic hairstyle. We saw a lot of that mini bob look in 2023, and we will continue to see it well into 2024. And what's nice about this particular haircut is that it does have a lot of shaping to it. The stylist does a really good job of just kind of adding a bit of layers and almost doing like a bit of a shaggy mini bob style. Very cute and interesting haircut here. So there is the full finished look. She looks absolutely gorgeous. So next up we have a color transformation. So she starts off with that Barbie pink hair. And it looks like she got a nice color refresh, but a little bit more of like a fuchsia. And she does have that shaggy shape here as well. Very cute style. Now in 2024, we're going to see a lot of shaggy looks. If your hair is on the thinner side, this would be a great hairstyle and cut to play around with because it is going to give you that thickness and really just frame out your face. Now another hair color idea on our radar for this season will of course be the return of the chunky highlights. We've been seeing that for the past 2 years. That beautiful bold red, and then we move into another transformation. Then this one involves a classic bob look. Looks like the stylist is adding a bit of bangs here to kind of frame out the face. We're going to continue to see that bottleneck bang style in 2024, as well as the curtain bangs. Beautiful. I love the simplicity behind this look. And then he does add some waves here for some texture. I love the color. It's a bit of an ombre. Ooh. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. A nice variety of color options here. If you like something a little bit more bold, I love this iridescent, like rainbow look. That is so beautiful. So one thing I will say about 2024 is that we will definitely be not shying away from color. Over the past couple of years, I feel like we've gotten bolder and bolder. And it looks like the stylist is doing a nice rainbow shade here with the pink. Oh, wow. I know we already saw this before, but wow, this is just so pretty. So the stylist has a cool little like 60 mod ponytail here. Very fun. So it looks like she is getting some color added. And then we move into some more fun hair color shades with this lavender rose gold look. Wow. Oh, that is really pretty. Now this kind of has a bit of a reverse ombre feel to it, a little bit darker at the root and then moving into more of a lighter color towards the ends. Wow, this is just so beautiful. And then we have a really cool bob here, this silver and purple combo. Very chic. Looks like she has a bit of bangs going there in the front too. And then our last hairstyle is going to be of another pixie. This one also has a lot of texture to it as well. Face framing baby bangs. Oh, I love this cut. Oh, this is so cute. Very nicely done. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. Be sure to let us know in the comments below which one was your absolute favorite, which one would you dare try in 2024. Leave us your thoughts and we will see you in the next one.